What is subcooling? We've talked about how superheat protects the compressor, but what about subcooling? Subcooling tells us what's happening on the liquid side of the system. And if you want to properly charge modern HVAC systems, you need to understand subcooling. After refrigerant leaves the compressor, it enters the condenser as a hot, high-pressure vapor. The condenser coil removes heat from that refrigerant. As heat leaves the refrigerant, it changes from a vapor into a liquid. But once all the vapor turns into liquid, any additional cooling of that liquid is called subcooling. Subcooling is the temperature of the liquid refrigerant below its condensing temperature. That's it. You compare the saturation temperature from your gauges to the actual liquid line temperature, and the difference between those two numbers is subcooling. Let's say your gauges show R14A. Condensing temperature is 100 degrees Fahrenheit, but your liquid line temperature is 88 degrees Fahrenheit. That means 100 minus 88 equals 12 degrees Fahrenheit of subcooling. 100 minus 88 equals 12 degrees Fahrenheit. That means the liquid refrigerant was cooled 12 degrees below its condensing temperature. Subcooling helps HVAC techs know if the condenser is full of liquid refrigerant, if the system charge is correct, and if the metering device is getting solid liquid refrigerant, because TXVs are designed to receive liquid refrigerant, not vapor bubbles. If subcooling is too low, that usually means low refrigerant charge, flash gas in the liquid line, or not enough liquid inside the condenser, and when vapor reaches the TXV instead of liquid, cooling performance drops fast. But if subcooling is too high, that can mean overcharge, restricted liquid line, or refrigerant backing up inside the condenser. Too much refrigerant can raise head pressure and make the system work harder than it should. TXV systems are usually charged using subcooling because the TXV controls superheat automatically. But fixed orifice systems, those are usually charged using superheat. So the next time someone says, check the subcooling, they're checking how much the liquid refrigerant was cooled after condensing. And honestly, that single number can tell an HVAC tech if the system charge is healthy or completely wrong. Follow for more HVAC, engineering, and real-world troubleshooting breakdowns.